Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about why Uber drivers are quitting right now. There's a brand new article that I wanted to share with you guys that really sheds some light what's going on behind closed doors at the good old Uber office, okay? So we're gonna get into it. Before I do, I wanted to tell you all about an awesome opportunity to make more money. So this awesome app is called Solo, and it's the business app for gig workers, and they're providing drivers right now with guaranteed pay. So if you drive for Uber or for Lyft or any of the gig apps, you want to sign up for this immediately because they're going to give you 15 bucks just for signing up and linking your gig account. Enter in your payment info and you'll get it on Tuesday. This is how it works. You sign up for a shift 10 to 11. You can pick the higher paying ones and they're gonna make sure that you earn that amount. If you don't, they're gonna pay you the difference. So sign up right now with our unique link, get your 15 bucks, take home $5,000 more a year for the average app-based driver. There's a free version, a $3.99 version, which includes automated mileage tracking and federal tax reductions, which in my opinion is worth probably around $100 a month, but they're doing it for only $3.99, and then $7.99 a month. I mean, come on. You're gonna make, I mean, as long as you go out and utilize it, you're gonna, earn a lot of money. We're on the we're on the Work Solo website. Harry Campbell, he is an investor. This guy here from the Rideshare Guy, he invested in Solo Technologies. They got $5 million funding. Do you tip Uber and Lyft drivers? Rideshare tipping and compensation explained. So according to HireCar, Uber and Lyft drivers make less than 15 bucks an hour when driver costs are considered. Did you guys know that? There's a new study that says you should use a set tip of 4 to 6 bucks for rideshare delivery. Now, what's the issue with that? Do you think every single rideshare passenger is gonna tip you $4 to $6? If you've ever gone out to be an Uber driver, you know that that is not the standard. If you ever get a $6 tip from your passenger, that's a good, lucky ride passenger. And they're saying that in order for drivers to make a living wage, that passengers need to be tipping 4 to 6 bucks per ride. That's the whole problem with the restaurant industry. Oh yeah, you go in there, you tip 10 to 15, 20%. It's because the restaurant workers aren't being paid enough. It's the same thing with driving for Uber. Uber drivers aren't being paid enough, so they just say, oh yeah, let's have the passengers tip it, right? Even the fuel surcharge, that was temporary, by the way. Uber got rid of that in the middle of the night for all Uber Eats orders. Boom, gone. And now all of a sudden, now it becomes standard. You should tip Uber and Lyft drivers between 10 to 20% based on quality of service. And yeah, I do agree with that. I think Uber drivers should get tipped. But actually, I don't even know if I do. I think Uber and Lyft should just pay their drivers more so passengers wouldn't have to do that. Uber generated $17 billion in revenue last year. Do you guys realize that? Lyft generated $3.2 billion. And they can't pay their drivers an extra, dollar per ride? It's crazy. And most people are not tipping drivers. Rideshare says a tip amount of 4 to 6 bucks should be the standard, as a $3 coffee delivery could require the same driving or biking distance as a more expensive meal. It's getting crazy out there, guys. 15 bucks an hour. Come on. It's horrible, right? That's minimum wage. That's less than minimum wage in Los Angeles. So anyways, let me know your thoughts. Check out Solo with our link below. Get your $15 just for signing up. You can start getting guaranteed pay if you live in one of the qualifying cities. Or if you don't, you can still get their free version, and when they expand in that area for the guaranteed pay, you'll get that. But it's really awesome. So let me know your thoughts on this one. Take care. God bless, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.